Ay, naku.
Hindi nga anak niya. Sean is coming. He's coming tonight. He's coming tonight. Even Nina is coming. He's coming, sir, because you don't like to go to the hospital. Sir, tomorrow, what is gonna happen in the middle of the night? Who I'm gonna call?
Inaano mo siya na pumunta na siya ng ospital. Ibig sabihin, masama na ang pakilasa niya dyan.
How can I be not worried, sir? I have madam there to take care. How am I gonna take care of you? And we have Joshua here to take care. What is gonna happen?
Ayaw niya magpadala ng ospital. Yes, Life of Barbrin, like 5. Thank you so much, sis. Mega love shoutout, sis. Hello, good morning dyan. Maraming salamat, sis.
You have to sleep. What do you want? Do you want to brush your teeth? You want to what? Try to rest for a while. Going to work.
Can I have
what?
chewing gum?
Sandwich. Do you want sandwich?
You got?
Yeah, we have. Okay. Both hands. See your hand. The other hand have. See, so many medicine. Try to sleep and then you can rest. Try to sleep and then you can rest.
Sis Buhay. Yan, dan na sis Buhay. Talaga palang nakakasama mo yung sir mo hanggang sa siya Salamat sis host. You're welcome sis. Sir Jesse. Mega love shoutout Sir Jesse. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan guys. Guys, ako'y magwa 1 hour lang ngayon kasi ang pakiramdam ko hindi pa ganun kagaling. Hindi pa ganun ka anong aking pakiramdam. Layo-layo ko't baka naman makita nyo yung butas ng ilong ko. Ay, Diyos ko po, Rude. Thank you so much, Sir Jesse. Yan, gawa tayo ng ating